I've been thinking about Stadium Super Trucks for 20 years. It's a place where I started my career, and I always knew one day that I'd want to bring this back.
If you were anything, you came to the LA Memorial Coliseum. Oh! Mickey Thompson, Robby Gordon. Stadium Racing returns. Thank you, Robby.
I think it's going to come down to having good athletes that are good race car drivers, and then hook it up with Bigfoot. We're getting ready to show Crandon fans and basically the world what 5 of them look like running next to each other. We're going to put on a great show. It should be a lot of fun. Stadium Super Truck, we debuted them here at Crandon. The first time they've really done battle, side by side, crossing over, running into each other. I think it put on a good show. I know the people were hooting and hollering, and they had a great time, and I had tons of people come by our trailer after the race. That was one of the best shows of the weekend, so that's cool because we're just getting started.